Hey guys, John the Pilot here with part 3 for the Verizon 5G Gateway home internet system. I like this one. I hope you will as well. Let's get to it. One thing I love about Amazon is all the boxes you get so you can put some stuff in it. Yep, I think you know what this means. The lights aren't working no more. Yes, I know why. Bye-bye. So this is also part of our Xfinity service. It's one of the boxes, I guess, it provides on demand. It's going to. Don't need this anymore either, since we're switching to YouTube TV. Go ahead, throw it in the box. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot, we gotta go upstairs and get the other remote from the other TV. What?
You need to go upstairs.
Go upstairs. I found it. Whoa, what are you doing? Be careful, bud. I found the other remote. We gotta go put that in the box. You gonna help me?
Yeah.
Good job. Safety first, dude. All right, take that downstairs. Whoa. Man, he's in a hurry to get rid of Xfinity. Go, go, go. And in the box. Woo, yeah. Say bye-bye, Xfinity.
Bye-bye, Xfinity.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
So we used Xfinity for our home security, and now since we're dropping Xfinity, I can get rid of this because we're switching completely to Ring. I got a bunch of cameras already installed. I picked this up at Costco. It's the 14-piece system. I'll put a link in the description. I don't get anything for it, but that's what I'm gonna install. I'll show that in another video. Now, everybody get it. Oh, he's pulling it off. Yep, yeah, God, Xfinity just does not want to go. All right, grab that whole thing. Yep. Put it in the box. There we go. Looks like the box is getting full. Might need another one. Got a couple more things to put in there. This is the keypad for the home security. So I'm already on the phone with Xfinity, and you know, they're saying something about internet for $9.99 a month. I guess the word's already out about all these other providers like T-Mobile and Verizon doing these cellular home internet programs. But quite frankly, I don't even want to explore it because now I'm just trying to cancel the service with them, and I've been on the phone for about 8 minutes already. So this is just like, talk about a time suck. I'm just over it with Xfinity. And then I asked them also to call the correct number, and they called my wife's phone, and she had to patch me in to talk to the representative. So here we go. I'm going on 8 minutes and 21 seconds.
All right, thank you so much for patiently waiting, and I do apologize for the long wait. So we finally processed the cancellation order, and you will receive an email confirmation for your reference, right? So for the equipment, you can just simply return this to the nearest Xfinity store, or you can also send it via UPS so that we can avoid any unreturned equipment fees in the future. Okay.
Can you send me a label?
Oh yeah, for the return label, you can just simply print this to the website. You can go to xfinity.com/returns so that you can get the return label. And the packaging is already available at the UPS.
Gotcha. Okay. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. You're welcome. It's my pleasure assisting you today. But aside from this, will there be anything else? Or do you have any questions?
No, just have a great day. Thank you so much.
Same to you. And I appreciate any feedback on the service that I have provided you today. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your day and stay safe.
All right,
Bye
you as
for
well.
now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So Xfinity's gone. It be gone. Gone. $25 a month. And I got my mother-in-law, in the background, So we're locked in for 3 years with Verizon for the $25 a month. So far, I've been pretty impressed. I'll just keep monitoring it, and I'll see how things go. All right, so this box turned out to be a little bit bigger than expected, but at least Xfinity's paying for it to go back. Good on them. Hey, boss, just a drop off. No, thank you.
Have a good one, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Xfinity is gone. Woohoo! Bye-bye, Xfinity. Verizon Gateway is gonna be here to stay for probably 3 years at 25 bucks a month. It worked out pretty well. I'm pretty impressed with it. So what we do now is we have YouTube TV, and Ring is now our home security, which I was already paying $20 a month for. So now I just have an alarm security system that they monitor, and it hasn't changed the bill there. And YouTube TV is now $64.99. YouTube TV actually has a special if you haven't tried it before for, I think, yeah, it's $54.99 a month for 3 months, I believe, but I used it a long time ago, so I'm at $64.99 a month, which isn't bad. So what we're paying now is just 25 bucks more to my Verizon bill. Maybe I could go over that in another video. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea, if you want to know more. Our Ring has just picked up the tab when it comes to home security. So that was a $270 something bill with Xfinity that's gone, and we basically swapped it for $64.99 plus 25 bucks. That's 64 plus 25. Or 65 bucks. So that's $90 a month versus 270 something. I can't even remember what that bill was. It was in the other video. So if you like this video, if you found any value in it whatsoever, please like it, please comment, hit the subscribe button. I got more videos coming as well. There are some drawbacks to this. It only had 2 Ethernet ports, so I've got a fix that I'm going to experiment with using. I got a gigabit switch that I'm going to be installing upstairs in my closet, and hopefully I can turn 1 Ethernet port to a couple more so I can send it through the rest of my house through the Ethernet wiring that my house came with. And I'm also going to install another router to broadcast it as well. So far, everything with the 5G gateway from Verizon has been phenomenal, and it's all been plug and play. It's made it super simple. Thank you so much, Xfinity. Bye-bye. No more price hikes for a while. Anyway, if you guys got any questions, comments, please leave them. I'd be happy to answer anything that you guys may ask. I don't know, throw me some comments. A lot of guys actually helped out talking about the difference between the 5 gigahertz, 2.4 gigahertz. That actually helped the speed out tremendously. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. One more thing, I am not a gamer. I don't play computer games too much. I am a YouTuber now in the beginning phases of my journey. I don't know how it's gonna hold up when it comes to like 4K video and all that kinds of stuff. Some people were talking about how it throttles, which we'll find out here. I'm gonna continue to try to do updates. If you guys are interested in that, please comment below. I'm not exactly sure how this would stand up with gaming. You may want to have to find out a little bit deeper or ask me some questions. I'll shoot you any types of questions that you have with speeds per second and all that stuff. Otherwise, till next time, John the Pilot. See ya.